Looking for the best bridge cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Kodak PixPro Astrooom A45. Best budget. We were pleasantly surprised with this Kodak PixPro Astrooom A45 as it has a resolution of 20 megapixels. That's 4 megapixels more than the previous model. Sensors that good are still something of a rarity in a budget Briggs camera, but this one is going to be a noticeable step up from any basic point-and-shoot digital camera. It has an excellent 40x optical zoom lens that spans 24960, putting this model firmly into what photographers call the super zoom category. This lens offers real versatility from wide landscapes to detailed telephoto shots. Travelers or wildlife enthusiasts will love the reach that this camera offers for the money, as it does away with the usual expense and bulk of interchangeable lenses. Additionally, the camera includes a 3-inch LCD screen that is easy to see and use from various angles. There is video recording here, but sadly not at 4K resolution. That's understandable at this price point, though. The A45FK does, however, support HD video recording, which is fine for casual videography. That's all from my end. Number 2. Canon PowersShot SX70HS. The best value bridge camera. Canon's PowersShot SX70HS is what we consider a more conventional bridge camera than those found in the top 4. That's because it uses a smaller 1/2.3-inch sensor, which gives you the advantage of a ginormous 65x optical zoom range. You still get full manual control along with other great features such as a fully articulated screen. It lacks touch sensitivity, though, a decent electronic viewfinder, and the ability to shoot in RAW format. Inbuilt Wi-Fi and NFC are additional bonuses. This is a classic all-rounder that would suit those looking for something relatively small and light for trips such as safaris where the big zoom comes into its own. A bugbear is having to activate the viewfinder manually since there's no sensor, but otherwise it's a solid performer. Image quality is very good, with the image stabilization system doing a good job of keeping captures even at the extreme end of the telephoto lens sharp. Shooting at a wide angle and low light are not this camera's forte, but there's good autofocus performance and speedy operation to compensate. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1000. Best super zoom bridge camera. While every camera on this list has a zoom lens, the Nikon Coolpix P1000 is the bridge camera to buy if you're looking for the longest possible zoom range on the market. Its built-in lens has a remarkable 125x optical zoom, allowing you to zoom into a max equivalent focal length of 3m0, blowing all other bridge cams out of the water. It's so long that it can capture details on the moon's surface, though it's also suitable for landscapes or everyday photos at shorter focal lengths. The trade-off of having such a long zoom lens is that the camera is very heavy and bulky, so it isn't very portable or well suited to travel. However, considering how much range you get, it isn't bad. While it has an electronic stabilization feature, you'll still need to use a tripod when shooting at the tail end of its zoom range to avoid camera shake. Its small sensor also means that image quality won't be as out of this world as your potential subjects. However, images taken in broad daylight still look decent, and you won't find this kind of zoom capability on any other point-and-shoot camera. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix FZ1002. If the Sony RX10iR is out of your price range, the Panasonic Lumix FZ1002 is an excellent mid-range option. It's an especially good choice if you don't need more premium features like weather sealing. Like the Sony, it uses a 1-inch sensor, allowing for better image quality than most cheaper bridge cameras. It isn't a stacked sensor, though, so the camera doesn't have the same advantage with burst rates and rolling shutter as the Sony. That said, its 11 frames per second burst shooting speed is still very respectable and will suit most casual photographers just fine. The FZ1-25400mm equivalent focal length is quite versatile, giving you a fairly wide zoom range to work with. The camera is also packed with extra features, including a 4K photo mode that lets you pull stills out of 30 frames per second video clips, along with features like focus stacking and post-focus, which let you expand an image's focal plane or adjust the focus point after the fact respectively. Despite that, the FZ1002 offers a lot of value for its price, making it the best all-around option for most people. Number 5. Sony RX10iR. Best Bridge Camera. The Sony RX10iR is undoubtedly the Rolls-Royce of bridge cameras. While it isn't cheap, it's one of the best bridge cameras on the market. That's primarily because of its relatively large 1-inch sensor, which is a step above most bridge cams in point and deuce. It also features a stacked design that allows for very quick 24 frames per second burst shooting and reduces rolling shutter distortion. Beyond that, it's a very well-built camera with weather sealing, excellent ergonomics, and premium touches like a top display to check your settings and battery life at a glance. Image quality is great straight out of the camera with RAW shooting and manual controls for more advanced users. On top of that, you get Sony's typically reliable autofocus with a highly effective tracking feature that makes it a great choice for birding and wildlife. The camera's built-in Zeiss zoom lens also covers a wide-ranging full-frame equivalent focal length of 24 to 600 mm, meaning you can shoot everything from landscapes to far-off wildlife.